Polestar is preparing to firm up its lineup with fresh models. One of the newest members to join the family will be the Polestar 3, which arrives in October. But another one coming down the pipe is the exciting Polestar 5, and a prototype version of that just ripped up the hill at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Based on the Polestar Precept concept, which is a weird phrase to say, the Polestar 5 is a sleek, electric grand touring sedan. Polestar is setting its sights on vehicles like the Tesla Model S, Porsche Taycan, and Audi e-tron GT. And it should have no problem competing and possibly blowing the doors off them, at least the Porsche and the Audi. That's because the Polestar 5 should have north of 880 horsepower and over 660 pound-feet of torque. This is achieved through the use of a high-output front motor and a newer rear motor. This setup runs on an 800-volt architecture, so it should also charge quickly too. The exterior style of the Polestar 5 takes clear design direction from the excellent Precept concept. We got a chance to see that one in person a few months prior.
Polestar just moved into a new home here in Orange County, California. We've come to Laguna Beach to sample the automaker's new digs. It's close to the coast and the Pacific Coast Highway. We've also come to see this, the Polestar Precept.
While it was cool to look at, it will be far cooler to see what a production spec Polestar 5 can really do. Polestar is building great vehicles right now, but the lineup is small. The Polestar 1 is a sort of halo flagship machine, but it's also not fully electric. Polestar 2 is a nice entry point of the brand at the moment, but Polestar 3 and 4 should prove to be more useful, volume-focused machines. Both are crossovers. Finally, when Polestar 5 lands, it should replace the 1 as the true flagship of the family. And with the numbers on the spec sheet, it should also be one heck of a thing to drive. Beyond the numbers though, Polestar does a great job on the design side. The exterior will likely be great, but so will the interior space. Polestar, like its parent company Volvo, makes simple yet stylish decisions with respect to interior design. I see no reason not to expect more of the same here with Polestar 5. We're going to have to wait a bit to see if that rings true though. Polestar 3 should arrive later this year, Polestar 4 in 2023, and then Polestar 5 arrives sometime in 2024. And although that's quite a ways away, I'm already excited to learn a whole lot more about it.